Okay, so let me show you guys. Even though that Cheryl Sanfelice coaching is wrapping up in 2026, that doesn't mean that my knowledge and everything that I have been working for is gone. So the knowledge is still there. It's just the company won't exist anymore, right? So during the past year, one of the projects I had been working on was on taking all the knowledge I had about the projects I worked previously related to machine learning and AI, and my experiences looking through all those documents, and then also with the CPMI and the books I have read, and I forgot the name of like the company. There's another company that does AI projects, and I had to research at some point. So what I did was I took all of that knowledge along with everything, a lot of research and everything, and I decided to how can I compress everything into a document that I can just bring in and help companies become efficient at evaluating the opportunities they have at hand. So this is this, and I'm so happy. It took a while, but here it is. This I will carry with me. Then this is, I finished this as well. So this is a workshop. It's about breaking the cycle of unwanted behaviors, hidden team dynamics, and leadership blind spots. And then it is available. And we have the suggested duration is 3 hours. However, there are various ways we can approach this. So this one is done too. I'm super excited about that one as well. And then this one is a really big one. As you can tell. And it's for leadership. So right now, once it's done, I'll share it with you guys, but I still have a lot of work to do on it, even though I've done all of this other work on it. And it'll be a really exciting asset to have in your library once I'm done with it. So look out, stay watchful of what's coming up. If you wish, I'm not the AI guide or this one is mine. I'm not sharing this one. This is just to help you guys, but it's not to give up. This one, if you're interested, let me know. It's available. So, fun opportunity to work through conflict in a different way. So, here we are. And there's a lot of other things I've worked on and I'll continue to work on. So, bye.